can put it there. Oh.
Ta-da. Wow. Repeat it. Wow. Repeat.
Put it here.
Wow. Repeat it. Wow. Really repeat it. Next one, the top. Okay. Now try a bar. The eye, purple eye. No, the purple eye.
Oh, you got purple eye.
Next one. A, B, purple eye. What's that other you make that over? I try to repeat it. Okay. Try to good.
Thank you for subscribing. Whoa.
Here, be a hole. Yeah. Hey, Mom, I be a whole tea in the
You put it there in your bubble tea. Booba tea. Is that your booba tea?
Yeah.
This is a real one, booba tea. How you get that? Oh! Bubble tea?
Boba tea.
Booba tea? It's a bubble tea.
Yeah. Who wants to tie it? That's in love. So the tea down here. Let's just tie it. Trên đồ ăn là cái như vậy. Thôi ra nếu có thể. Someone tie it here.
Huh?
Someone tie it here, Mom.
What's that?
Someone tie it here. My best friend tie it here.
Your best friend?
Yeah.
Who was your best friend?
Banana.
Savannah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she's going home
One night.
to her mom tomorrow.
One night.
Yeah. Isn't that fun?
It tie here one night.
Yep.
Tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah, it's okay. She's gonna see her mom. Isn't you wanna see your mom too? Savannah, her mom is not here. It's in Washington.
I didn't meet her.
Yeah, but it's okay. You'll see her again next summer.
Tomorrow.
Summer.
Tomorrow.
Yeah, it's fine. You'll find another friend next summer.
Oh yeah.
Who is that?
Um,
Bakit saan gagaling, mother? We're gonna see Savannah next summer. You like that? Let me see.
next
You can put it on top. Cover it.
Okay.
There you go. Cover that. Oh. Oh. Yep. Astig. Yep. Ayan, guys. Ayan. Blessed day. Happy blessing. Ayan, Chai. Hello, everyone. Yeah, correct ka dyan. Dami natin mumuha. Ayan, pasukan na. So, kita-kita, malapit ng school supplies. So, kailangan trabaho na. Double trabaho, guys. Habang mayroon tayong pagkakakitaan. Ayan, kay Jelana. Mga pagkakataon na ganito, lalo na't malapit ng pasukan. So, itodo na. Diba? Welcome. Say welcome. Oh, what happened to your booba? Yep. Yeah, sulitin na habang mayroon tayong pagkakataong kumita. At